Hi, welcome to this video. To allow all calls on your iPhone, turn off the do not disturb mode on your iPhone and change your phone app settings so unknown call screening is set to never and call filtering is turned off. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the settings, tab apps, select or choose phone. Inside, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna find screen unknown callers, and here you're gonna see the unknown callers toggle. So I'm gonna tap here, right, and make sure it's turned off, and basically find the call filtering and turn off the switches for unknown callers and spam. So consider liking this video, subscribing, and you might want to check the blocked contacts. Go ahead and check the blocked contacts here. All you gotta do is just click each number or email address and unblock them. So thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next one.